When you create innovation, it's like you're going where no one else has gone before.
As soon as I found out about this program and how good it was, I wanted to be in this one specifically.
All the courses are kind of linked together, so you can really see the overall perspective.
So you need to deal with the unknown, with the unpredictable. You need to come up with creative solutions.
The Master's Program in Business and Management is a 2-year program at Stockholm School of Economics. The program is unique to its character because we have a combination of really good courses. We have collaboration with entrepreneurs, with startups, known international and global companies to industrial partners, etc.
The focus of this program is on creating new ideas, new products, new markets, new business models.
So if you come here, you will secure that you will have a very good career in front of you.
I would say that my bachelor gave me the foundation of my knowledge within all the topics, and now in my master I get an education where it's definitely 10 levels up.
When you develop new products, when you enter an unknown territory, you need to do things differently than when you're running business as usual.
I mean, in Stockholm there are so many startups, people who are keen on building up their own business from scratch, and I find this very impressive and also inspiring.
There is a huge focus on being innovative and entrepreneurial.
When you create new businesses, you need to combine the internal resource view with the external market view. And that's why we integrate management and marketing in the same program.
You have the best of two worlds.
Our program is really international. We have like so many different nationalities here.
So we have students from all over Europe, also from China, from the States.
And as a group, all together, you reach a much higher level.
SSE has very close links with the most important companies in Sweden, and these companies have a lot of challenges. In this program, we build the cases and live projects around these challenges, which students are expected to analyze and solve. This is how the program connects to reality instead of just focusing on textbooks.
In the morning you sit there in class and having a lecture about the marketing theories of the last 100 years. And in the afternoon you meet up with your partner company and try to improve the conversion rate of their online shop.
As a company, why we want to get the students' perspective is because they think out of the box, they have different mindsets, and they don't always look into the same way that we've been doing in the company for the last years.
I love the combination of having the lecture and the seminar within the classroom, and then you're out on the field working on your own.
SSE Stockholm, Sweden, so you have the best business school in the Nordics, a city that is home to successful startups like Spotify and leading corporations like Ericsson, and a country that is leading in terms of innovation and technological infrastructure.
Stockholm, I love Stockholm.
I really like that the city is really vibrant.
It's quite easy to make it your own.
It's very beautiful, it's an amazing city and also one of the world's major startup hubs, and that's why I wanted to be here.
You will have a clear view of what it takes to be into different types of organizations. If you would like to run a startup yourself, to become an entrepreneur, for instance, or if you aim to go to a traditional company to become a boss later on.
I really learned how to play with your strengths and understand them and how to utilize them to your benefit. And that's what the MBM allows you to do.
It taught me a lot, especially this combination of both analytical and numerical thinking, as well as creative and having a more strategic and broader overview mindset, so to say.
Truthfully, like the MBM, as far as I can tell, is one of the more practical programs. So if you're interested in learning about the way business is actually run, and also learning about the theory and actively applying it, it's definitely the best program for that.
I would say the school is looking for unique individuals, so don't be afraid to bring out yourself and who you are and what do you want.
And not only all the things I learned and the opportunities it gave me, but it also gave me friends from all over the world and people that I will stay in touch with for a long, long time.
Our graduates, they excel as problem solvers, as people who can execute change, deal with the uncertainty, find and catch opportunities. They can think and they can act.